What's up? This is HDNEWS TECH here. Preacher here. I'm recording on my laptop, so this is not the best quality, but it's better than nothing. The old camera wasn't worth it, and the thing behind me running, and the curtain, and the footballs, and the train right there on the track, the bad operator or whatever. Lionel track that it costs quite a bit. $2 or $4 or whatever it was a piece for $16 for like a section. That's like not price for like a mm, good section of the track. Like this big section. So subscribe and comment like below if you like this channel. I do daily uploads. I try to. See ya.